Yo, what up, everybody? Let me know if you guys can hear me and see me, and I will check on my end. Oh, brother. You guys ready to get into London session? Nice. All right. First things first. I know we have a big audience from around the world. If you speak another language, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, French, German, whatever, if you speak another language as well as English fluently, please send me an email because I need your help. I am doing a thing, and like I can check the work in Polish because I understand the language, but I can't check the work in another language, and I need people's help. So if you speak another language, please email me at tmafxc@gmail.com. It is in the chat right now. Email me there, please. Let's see. Please send me an email because Okay, cool. I am good on my end, which means I'm good on your end. So we're gonna be trading US 30 today, hopefully. I'm looking for long positions, actually, which is contrary to the massive downtrend. But I think, depending on what price does, I am going to try and swoop up the move up to 30,000-ish, because right now it's chilling at 29,500, and I want a small chunk of a potential pullback to the 30,000 range, or if it rejects this area, we're going to be looking down. So let me show you your screen. Yeah, any language. Italian, fucking Icelandic, gaga goo goo. If you speak baby, let me know. Filters, crop, pad, boom, close. Okay. This is what we are looking at. I'm gonna make my face kind of small. We got US 30. Take off some indicators. Take off my volume profiles. I don't want to look at that just yet. What I want to do is take it out to the 1 hour. Actually, remove all of my drawings so I have a nice naked chart. And on the 1 hour, got a nice strong downtrend, right? And what I'd like to do is draw up an imaginary, fictional trend line. This I'm taking as a trap, and so I want my touch point, my touch point, my touch points, and or I like to fuck with it a little bit. Just to see if I'm missing anything. That's interesting. Where the fuck is that tool? Oh, there it is. All right. So 1 hour support and resistance levels. Right there. Right there. And that's our current bottom. Taking it into a 15. Getting quite a bit of rejection in this zone. So this is the zone that we're playing in right now. We did break the downtrend through Frankfurt session. So these are my zones. Let's look at the RSI. Stochastic is chilling at 30. Or sorry, MACD. Stochastic is in the up range. Everything is telling me bullish. And so if I can get a piece of this pie, I'd be a happy fucking dude. So, getting down to the 5 minute. Let's look for some price action areas. So, we broke that area. Hopefully we can come down, retest, shoot up. Even this small scalp between here and here is 135 points and more than I need. Looking at the I was wrong zone, it's going to be that. And if I was wrong, then the move is going to be 160 to the down. So, thank you, Robert. I appreciate that. For those of you wanting an update on the challenge, I am a whopping $38.49 in profit, and that is me coming back from a 4% loss. So I had a drawdown of 4% in the funded account, and now I'm up basically nothing in profit. So we got a ways to go, but I will do my best. I will be right back. 2 seconds. London Open is happening right now, so I don't really, actually, I should, I gotta pee, but fuck it. All right. Let's put on some TMA overlay, see what the moving averages are doing. We're trading above the 50 or above the 200 on the 5-minute time frame. Would like a nice healthy pullback and a move up. Again, when looking at moving average crossovers, when it crosses over, there's usually a pullback at that time. So like right here, the 21 and the 100 crossed, pullback. Basically happens every time. 21 and the 50 crossed over, pullback. Okay? So we got no crossovers right now, so we're not expecting pullbacks. See what Christie's Stairmaster has to say. Okay, so that's the range we need to break in order for Stairmaster to be valid. Same on that. 3-minute time frame shows a rejection off of the 200 pushing up. Let's make this zone a little bit more generous. One-minute time frame. All right, so we're looking for something like this for a long position, right? I want to get a bigger risk to reward than a 1 to 2. I want to chill at like 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s because I got a lot of catching up to do and a short amount of time to do it in. Three minutes after open, I'd like to see some decisive moves in the market. Let's put some volume profiles up to see which levels are substantial. A lot of buying and selling pressure here, but it's leaving it to the upside, so more buying pressure, I believe. Checking on the 5-minute. Three-minute, 15-minute. Cool. I'm going to get into a trade right here. And going to take a 1 to 3, which means that my take profit is up there. And I'm going to send it in a few seconds. Yep. Sending order now. Okay. I'm in a trade. 0.08. Hold on, let me put this here. Stop loss. Okay. So Take profit or entry price on this was 29,561. Profit level is 29,742. And the stop loss level is 29,499. That's what the trade looks like. Keep an eye out on this area right here, because it could reject that as it did at 821. But we got our break, our retest, and our rejection. So I want to get this 1 to 3, but most likely, what was that? 2742. Most likely it'll go up to this area, which is a 1 to 1.3. So we'll see what happens. Hope for the best. A little bit of pullback right now. Essentially, I could move my stop loss to here to mitigate risk, because if it goes down to here, then I was wrong in my potential uptrend. But we got our cross, pull back, push up. Got our 5-minute. It's a comfortable stop loss. 62 points. But market open, you know, it's got a lot of volatility. So hopefully we can get out without too much bruised up skin. On the 1 minute, it's rejecting kind of the 21. If it gets to this zone and it rejects down, if it goes past this to here, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Oh, fuck. So underslept, dude. So underslept, guys. Yeah, London session just opened. On the 1 minute, we are currently forming a 3-line strike, which I like. Hopefully that candle closes with the actual signal, and we will go from there. Right now it is rejecting, so we'll see. 10 seconds left. Okay, so we got our 3-line strike. Might actually be good for let's wait for a confirmation candle before we start doubling up our position sizes. Okay, market is going against us. So I think depending on what this candle does, might have to close out or just wait and see. All right, we've crossed through the 21, the 50, and we're coming up to the 100. Probably going to get stop loss hit on this. That's okay. We'll find another entry and we'll keep going. Boom, stop loss hit. Now we need to reevaluate what was going on. So basically, market open, tested this area, shot up, got in, trade went against us, stop loss hit. There's a good quote that I heard once. Your stop loss is my entry. So let's see what it does here. All right, got in again. This time, these are my levels. If you want to take a quick screenshot. And all right, let's adjust these. Entry price was 29,553. Take profit level is 29,715. And stop loss level is 495. Brother. Got to check the RSI when it gets to this level to see if it's not going to make a double top. So previous time we were here was 83.69, and now we're at 67. So this might be a little bit of a warning thing. We got stock chilling at like 92-ish, but MACD is showing us bullish momentum with just a cross above. So this might be healthy, or it might reverse at this area. We'll see. I do, however, want to move my stop loss a bit higher because I want to risk less. So I'm going to move it to the moving averages, like just above the 50 for right now. Currently 288, 296 in profit. Hopefully we get a nice runner for the next, like, I don't know, hour. That would be great. Our take profit level is quite far. It's about, we're looking for a 160-point move. So hopefully we can get there. We are currently at that level. A little bit of a wick, but we've kind of broken above. And yeah, we'll see what happens, huh? Maybe a break, retest, continuation. Really concerned about this because my take profit's way up here, but even if it gets to this zone, it's a 1 to 2. So it'll give us 1% on the day. Yes, I entered again. Looking at the 5-minute, we are crossing up on stochastic, turning green on MACD, above the 50 on RSI. Might have a runner on our hands, which would be fucking sick. And then I could fucking edit some videos because I have a shit ton of work to do, guys. Like a shit ton of work to do. And I would like to get done with this trading session as quickly as possible. Current trade is in profit $400. I'm going to move my stop loss again. Fucking, when I want to click lines quickly, it's impossible. I can't grab it, but no. So let's just keep hoping this thing moves in our direction. Currently, the move has gone 50 points in our desired area. I kind of want to move this to a risk-free trade, which means break even. But this level is a little bit concerning. I don't want like a break and then a retest and then get stopped out and have it continue. So I'm just going to let it sit right here below the 21, which is comfortable for me. I don't like the loss of momentum on the 1 minute. Let's check the volume profiles and see what they're saying. Fucking dude, I swear to God, if they don't increase the heat in my office, I'm going to be fucking pissed. Like, I'm freezing right now. Okay, so that zone right here is where we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections off of it. So it's going to, this take profit area is maybe a little bit generous. We'll see what happens when it gets to this zone. But overall, I'm feeling good about the run up. Current trade is $600 in profit. Getting a nice momentum candle right there. I think I'm going to move my stop loss to risk free just because it's really juicy. And then if it does have a pullback and a rejection back up, then I'm going to move my stop loss to that swing low, like I did in my trailing stop loss video thing. So my take profit's up there. Hopefully it'll hit. Maybe 700 is a better number. Yeah, I'm going to move this to 29,700. Nice even level. At this point right now, this bearish candle was at 633. So I don't think that is any type of psychological level. So I think it should just disrespect that zone and continue up. Currently still getting the big bullish momentum. Just sucks that I was fucking wrong on the first one. I thought that was the zone, but it wanted another liquidity grab to this area. And, yep. I mean, rejection off the 50, fucking break of that. Like, I was assuming, and it just came down a liquidity grab. But we got in again because we respect our original analysis. We were just part of a, retail trader grab. And we are currently in that zone that I was targeting before, or that one that I wanted to keep an eye on. Dude, it's got to be like fucking 30 degrees in my office. Like, I'm surprised I can't see my fucking breath right now. So, a little bit of a rejection candle at this zone. We are high up on the stock. RSI is 78. Let's look at a little bit of a higher time frame and see what it was here. We got 64, 78, and 71. Currently, we are at 71. So we shall see. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm going to put on a fucking jacket or a sweater. Hold on. All right. Whew. All right. So current trade is 784 in profit. Hopefully we just continue this right up because take profit's right there at 700. So that would be a 150 point move on US 30. I would like to move my stop loss, but I haven't had any higher lows be made. So let's just keep hoping for a fucking runner. Just run, Forrest, run type of shit. Really good momentum moving candles, guys. Hopefully it can hit this take profit level of 29,700. I kind of want to move it just a couple of points below that. So like, let's do 697. 697, and you have to click the goddamn blue button, Artie. All right. Definitely gonna move my stop loss. If I can freaking click it, there we go. Maybe like right there. Kind of had a little bit of hesitation. I would like it to just go. But maybe I should just take my 2%, huh? What do you guys think? Take it? Just run. Just run. Give me the momentum. You have the momentum. Look at these huge momentum candles. Just get there. Stochastic is still up, not showing any signs of weakness. Let me know if I should take the winnings or keep it running. All right, we'll see what this pullback does. I took profits because profits were on the table. Negated my previous loss. So as you guys can see, we had a 514 loss, 1%, and we got like a 1.5% take profit. The overall trend is massively down. This was a counter trend trade, even though on the shorter time frame it was with the trend, but I still think the US markets are shit. So I really think that we're going to hit like 27,000 on this. So I got out just to take profits. This is basically with funded accounts, you know, you're trading with other people's money. You want to mitigate risk as much as possible. And when money's on the table, you take it. You know, an $800 trade is good, especially after the 1% loss, you know, 1.5 take profit. So I'm up a little bit more than I was this morning. We're just going to keep looking for another entry and see where it goes. I really wish that first one wouldn't have fucking lost, because then I could have had 2 entries. You know what I mean? See, we're losing momentum. And that's what happens at these zones. Like when you have previously marked up zones where the price rejected like aggressively as fuck, you want to be very, very careful, thinking that, oh, because your take profit is up here, that it's got to hit. No, price doesn't respect anybody except for big banks, because they're the ones moving it. But you can clearly see why I was hesitant in this area, because oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. These aren't like small moves, guys. These are 254 points, 350 points. So like this is an area of known get the fuck out. And so we took a little bit of profits off the table, which is completely suitable. This is why I don't like trading or having the goals of hitting 10%, because normally I'd be stoked with this. I ended the day in profit and I got money. So if this was my own personal account, you know, I'd be up 340, $330 for the day. And if you guys know, I live in Poland. So 330 times literally, I think it's 4.95 right now. I would have had 16. This is 200 Polish currency away from my monthly mortgage. So it would have been a really good day for me. Alvin, good morning. Yes, you missed 2 trades. I had one loss of 1% and then one go a little bit further. How much is that? Hold on. 840. The account balance was divided by, let's just say 49,500 because I had the loss. So gain of 1.69%. And overall, the account is up not even 1%, 0.7%. Oh, goddamn, I'm cold. And I still need to pee. This one fucking hurt. Like, if we look at MT4, stop loss was 499. And that price literally got to 496. So like 3 points. Yeah, 3 points into stop loss. Like, ouch, right? So here's the thing with a huge move like this. This top to bottom move was 179 points. That's a pretty good move for London session. So I think that now the price is just, you know, it might even just consolidate in this zone until New York decides to pull it. What price did I get out at? $658. So I got out right about here. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. And that's how you don't let a loss fuck with your mentality and you just get in again. Like, you got worked, you get in again. That's it. I really thought that stop loss was going to be decent though with this consolidation area, but that thing just, I knew that it was going to go. I should have just closed out there or moved my stop loss to a 0.5% loss. Yeah, so if price is not trending or reversing, price is consolidating. Price does one of three things. It trends or reverses dramatically, like quickly, or consolidates. Oh. I wonder what type of fib level that was. Boom. Fucking gold zone. Fucking gold zone on the fib. What? See, and when you're live trading and you're like scalping 1 minute, it's so fast acting. Like in retrospect, I can see now like, oh, that was gold zone. But during it, there's so many things going on, you can't double check everything. See, and that would have been, that first one was a totally a good entry. A 382 retracement on that bullish of a move, totally okay. I just got cooked. That's it. But as far as entries right now, we're too far away from the 21. You missed a 160-point move. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day, guys. Price is deciding to chill in this area. I mean, even if we did have a pullback, I would have to wait for it to come here and reject strongly off of that. But there's no zone next to it, right? Like maybe this, if you want to count that, but it's a bit of an iffy statement for me. Just sit and watch for another like 10 minutes or so. See what happens. In the meantime, check out this thing that I'm working on. I want, because I know that like the YouTube, I like the YouTube. I like teaching people. I like having the reach that I have. But and that's why I have my YouTube videos in 38 different languages with subtitles. And so what I've been working on is this. So this is, my friends, me with all of my subtitles put in here with a naturally speaking dubbing. So let me let you listen to this.
Moja inna teoria spiskowa na ten temat jest taka sama jak w przypadku Robin Hooda, AMC i GameStop i tego wszystkiego, jak wstrzymanie handlu tymi rzeczami dla handlowców
So I'm going to have YouTube channels in every language dubbed, which is why I need help from people that speak other languages, because I need you to check the work. In Polish, I can check it. And so Polish is going to be the first one. Yeah, price is just going to chill here for a bit. If it does break out, it'll break out a little bit and then come back and chill in here. So I'm done trading for the day. Sucks that we took the loss, but Would have been nice with 2 wins because I definitely would have taken 2 entries on that. Up in profit, not even 1%, 0.7%. So we will get back to trading this funded account challenge tomorrow, same time, 10 minutes before London session. I will post the link in the announcements page later today. And awesome, Johnny Bravo, please email me at tmafxc@gmail.com. Okay, I put it in the chat. If you speak another language, please email me. And all I need you to do is get on a Zoom call or a Google Meet video call with me. I will play you the audio sample and you will give me a 1 out of 10 rating, whether it's like, oh, it's 9 out of 10. There was a few mistakes, but it's completely understandable. If we can get 9 out of 10 on the work, then I'm down to just like process the rest of them and we'll be good to go. Cool. Nick Jones, you take care as well. We will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. See ya later.